the 30th of November, online dating changed forever. It's a change that's already used by a few clever men to gain an edge over their competition. And today I want to show you how you can join their ranks. I'm talking about the use of artificial intelligence in online dating, or to be more precise, the tool chatGPT by OpenAI. This artificial intelligence platform is able to produce text, which looks as though a human wrote it. Now you may be wondering how you can use this tool to improve your online dating success with Slavic girls. But don't worry, in this short video, I'll give you all the information you need to get started. All I need from you is a few minutes of your time, and I'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to create a more interesting profile description and messages Slavic girls respond to. So make sure to watch this video to the end. Hi, my name is Tanya Sparks and I'm a dating and relationship coach. Watch as every week I'm going to reveal to you new secrets about what Slavic women really want. Plus, you will receive instantly effective methods to win over any Slavic girl or improve your existing relationship. So please hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. So what is it that this AI can do for you, and how can you use it in your online dating? There are basically two ways ChatGPT can help you. The first one is to help you create your profile text. In my last video, I've shared some tips on what to write there. And now you can use these tips as commands for the AI to write the text for you. So here's the first example. Let's say you are a doctor who loves cooking and playing football. You want to turn this into an entertaining profile description, which should also show you have a sense of humor. Before, this wasn't an easy task. So let's see what the AI can come up with. Not bad, isn't it? I'm sure you can't wait to try this with your own profile. But before you do, let's look at another example. In this case, we want to put the spotlight on her. For example, you are looking for someone to start a family. A sense of humor is important to you, and so are animals. How can we present this information in a way which doesn't look arrogant, but like a man who knows what he wants? Again, I think this is some pretty convincing writing, don't you agree? Okay, let's say you are already satisfied with your profile and have nothing to add there. No worries, there's another area this artificial intelligence can support you in your dating efforts. And that's engaging messages to the girls you match with. The first example I want to show here is a case where you want to compliment her. Compliments are an excellent way to get the conversation rolling and express your interest. But they are also an art form. So let's see what the AI can come up with. Let's ask for some different ways to compliment her so you can pick and choose what would be the best fit for her. I recommend you request a list, because this makes the computer structure the information in a clear way that is easy for you to use. To wrap up this video, I want to give you one last use case for this new technology. How to write a first message to the girl, which gets her to respond. As you know, giving a sincere compliment is one way, but it's by far not the only way. Let's see what other ways the AI can come up with. Once more, we want to ask for a list, so it is easier for you to get an overview of the advice it gives. Let's take a quick look at point number 5 here. It's a good example that not all advice you get from the program is automatically good advice. As you know, I strongly advise against sending messages with a simple "Hi, how are you?" The technology isn't perfect, and just like a human, it can make mistakes. However, I do think it can be of great help to you, especially if you are out of ideas about what to write. And there is another reason why I record this video. Because right now, the use of the software by OpenAI is completely free to use. All you need to do is register for an account. You can find the link below in the video description. Note that I'm not earning any type of commission from this recommendation. All I want is to share this interesting information with you, so why not give it a shot and see how it can help you with your dating life? Share your experience with OpenAI in the comments below. Were you satisfied with the responses you received? Did you enjoy using OpenAI? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next episode of Slavic Love Secrets.